morning. Today we're doing pouring concrete in Santa Monica Park, Reed Park, Santa Monica. And here we go. This is our first load and we're starting pouring the concrete now. Enjoy. We're ready to pour the concrete here and we'll give them the start point. We're pumping at the very far area. Alright, I have truck number 2 start pumping. I have the crew, the full capacity. Drainage system here, we have a slope go from the high end of the property to the low end. And as you see the low end here, we have drilled holes to take all the water. We don't want it to be puddling underneath the rubber, so this system will keep all the water and out of the playground. Got the third truck now, and we are, I would say halfway done. I don't know if we are or not, but should be. By the end of this third, we'll be more than halfway done. Here is the third truck. On pouring concrete, all the concrete has been poured, and all the left will be just finishing and doing the helicopter thing to smooth it up. This will be the final look of the concrete. You can see I left it here a little bit rough. It's not really smooth. I want it to be as straight as is possible, and I will give a chance for the rubber to get glued and bond very well.